Ground static inverter power supply for aircraft with energy storage AN17ES090. This is the latest generation of our company's remote aircraft parking position ground power supply. The product meets the IP55 outdoor protection rating requirements and has a working temperature range of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. The product features excellent electromagnetic compatibility and is a safe, reliable, efficient, and pure high-end aviation ground power supply. Primarily used for all-electric aircraft such as the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, as well as commonly used models in China, we provide professional aircraft power solutions for airports and hangars. As of now, the AN17ES090 ground static inverter power supply for aircraft with energy storage is primarily applied at Shanghai Pudong International Airport, Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport, Xiamen Xiang'an New Airport, Xi'an Xianing International Airport, Chongqing Jiangbei Airport, and nearly 100 civilian airports across China, as well as the Shandong Taigunu Hangar, Shanghai Kjiuhang Pudong Maintenance Hangar, Qingdao Eastern Airlines Maintenance Hangar, Taiyuan Shiyuyuan Aircraft Dismantling Hangar, at the Urumqi Airport Maintenance Area Hangar, and nearly 80 civilian hangars both domestically and internationally. The power is controlled by the drawbar and motor, and consists of the front axle assembly and tires, cable trough, rear axle assembly, tires, motor, and so on. Using 12-pulse rectification technology, the input current distortion is low, the power factor is high, and the pollution to the grid is minimal. Has a strong overload capability, supporting up to 400% current overload. Dual-mode power supply, can use external 380V AC input or direct power supply from batteries. BMS battery management system, real-time monitoring of battery remaining charge, health status, and other information. Using a 175.03 kWh battery as the energy storage module, can achieve long-distance power supply. The entire machine can operate electrically. The entire machine is equipped with a rear-view radar to ensure safe reversing, with an alarm sound that can reach 90 decibels. Ainhua Instruments was founded in 1993 and is a shareholding technology enterprise. The company has substantial resources and owns 2 industrial parks located in Jinan and Qingdao, Shandong Province. The total area of the parks exceeds 34,000 square meters, and there are currently over 610 employees. The parks feature an Innovation Technology Research Institute, a product development center, and a manufacturing base.